Who's got a bug?
Look at that bug. That killed it.
Yo.
That's a freaking huge bug.
Gone so soon.
The mustard from the hot dog.
Mustard.
Poor little buddy never had a chance.
It's like going from a worm to a caterpillar to a butterfly. It turned from a caterpillar to a piece of mustard.
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 That's the cycle of life. Caterpillar to butterfly to mustard. Boo.
No! Are you recording?
We get to see who's what. Ready?
Okay, Plain and Jane, ready? Line up, Dan.
Okay.
Plain and Jane.
Winner, Dad, by far. Dad.
Do I need to go on the side?
Okay. Yeah. Just do a full walk around. Just check it out. Just green, good. Yep. From the back now. Yeah, wait here too. Yep. Definitely has the width category. Nailed. All right. Good side shots. Yes. Now Trap City. Okay.
Go.
Welcome to Trap House.
What? Why are you doing it, Mom? I was just waiting to show us up. Dad.
Doe thinking by himself. Let's get an interview. He's famous. Just thought I'd come out here and see what Doe is thinking.
I dropped my phone.
What?
I'm thinking about dropping my phone. Sorry.
Missed the fish footage. I caught a huge fish. It was just so big. It was the biggest fish I ever caught ever. And he didn't record it. I'll just
I don't know if it was recording.
Why?
You caught the fish, I didn't catch the recording.
He missed the recording. I caught the fish.
And I didn't catch any of it.
And my dad caught a lot of shit for not catching nothing.
Hey, I caught, he caught stuff we didn't want to eat.
He caught a fish about the size of a $50 and then let it go because he couldn't eat it. It probably wasn't legal to eat. Can you eat those?
Perch?
Yeah.
Sure you can.
You can eat that with chips.
That's...
One chip, one perch. Nom.
Where your GoPro ordered.
Should I forehead GoPro this freaking
bleeding
birthday?
out of his eyes. I know, dude. I'm dying.
My poor baby.
I'm dying.
Don't cry, Hunter.
How does it feel to be possessed by the devil?
It was a nice waste of my Saturday.
Is that why you're YouTube famous? Because you
Yes.
sold your soul to the devil.
Hey man, sometimes you're at the crossroads, you gotta make a deal.
Got to make a deal with the devil. You made a deal with the devil down in Georgia. That's what you did. Ding 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 ding. Dylan bro or Doe bro.
You've got two.
And then we're gonna have baby bro. It's recording.
Yeah, we need to delete that. We need to delete that.
Odo. Topless. Dobro. AKA Dylan, bro.
If we got weights, we could like do Pilates in the water.
Pilates, bro. Pilates. Now we're shamelessly GoProing in the public pool. Dun 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 dun. Check out the new makeup by Doe. Doe. Oh,
Demon
Douglas.
Doe.
Oh, Douglas.
Demon
Oh,
Douglas.
Douglas has some dope sunburn. We're gonna do underwater acrobats for mom and for the stream. Do it for the vine.
We'll see all of it.
That was recorded.
What was that, the washing machine?
I should do a gainer off the ledge.
Nah. I wouldn't risk it.
No?
It's too shallow.
It's pretty shallow. Dude, freaking water footage is sick.
So cool. I was just like turning side to side.
Yeah, it was just so.
Karate.
It's because we were just like dorking around, and that's when all the cool stuff happens. Whenever you're not expecting, like, oh, dude. Now we're on dry land. Bummer. I think it's your upper lip. You farted and walked in your own shit.
That scares me.
What, did? That?